We're at Radisson and his parking is open. Nostalgic vibes, boy. Krasnapolsky. Exact open that the rumors open is, and I definitely want to check out the rumors. So now we're going, claro. Overall, maximum height 3 meters. I like the black with the red. Yun yung also feel mo fair the windshield needs you. Alright, another cool chill day. My friend brought me out and we're right here at Radisson. We're gonna make use of the swim deal. As you guys know, if you've been following my channel for a while, I love swimming. So I'll take you to different swimming places in Suriname. Don't forget to subscribe to my Storytime channel and visit my blog. As you guys know, you can find the link down in the description box. Trying to find our way to the pool now. So if you notice me posting these videos on Facebook, you guys know I'm mostly focused on content from my blog, so I won't be always filming more simple content creation struggles, as I also have struggles to keep up with everything else. We're struggling a bit with the elevator because there's no instructions when the guy help us. But hello.
Morning.
Good morning. You're ready for Girls' Day at Radisson?
Yes.
Have you
Ready. Alas ekit, alas debut.
a very pinky scene. I like it. I like the decor. Almost kakadaling na scene. Oh yeah, yeah, pala ko daking bagot te brenga. Oh wow, it's so pretty. It's a lot better than I remember it used to be when it was Krasnapolsky instead of Radisson. Let's go check it out. It looks fake. I'd like up and nepo bulungo boy. Okay, so Sabon's net that actually promising for the parking level with the Hakuma and yeah, cover ko pa sa the same deal, the same pass that we're getting. Then you have to go down to the lobby first and pay for your swim pass. So keep that in mind if you're gonna take advantage of this deal.
Floor one.
Yeah, I haven't get hotspot though.
Ground floor. Yeah.
Oh, the downstairs lobby is also very pretty. I'm gonna try some of those sweets later. We have the lobby. We sell snacks here. So I inquired and they said that a room here in January costs $189 a day, but they don't have CC rooms. Oh, sure. I'm gonna make pictures for her.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up.
We had to figure out for a while if it came with fries or not. You can see they're still getting the hang of working things out with guests. We asked them to lunch first. We got to order. They had different options: chicken burger with fries, Caesar salad. It's like a salad And the Surinamese special of the day was like snack moksanisi. Here's food met diffu. Yeah. We had to figure out for a while if it came with fries or not. We wanted to eat food with some Paramaribo. It's not really that crowded here. But overall, the staff was very friendly. I have to say that. The buffet is held there. My cocoa, it took a long time, but our food finally arrived after 1.5 hours. But I have to admit, it looks good. It looks nicely grilled. Oh, there's cheese in it.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense.
Love mirrors, and this lip is like really beautiful. I have to say, you can like just admire yourself. Hello guys, so I'm busy reviewing my storytime episodes right now. Happy New Year everyone. I didn't get the opportunity to wish you all a Happy New Year yet. I know it's been a while since I've posted, but life has been quite busy, intense, and hectic in Suriname as usual. So keep following my channel, subscribe for more episodes like this, keep a sister motivated. I want to give you guys an honest review of Radisson Hotel. As we went, I'm busy editing the video right now. I have to say, the food was great, 10 out of 10. But the surface, let's say, you could see the staff wasn't as professionally trained. They weren't quite, it didn't seem like they were used to receiving guests or like they knew what they were supposed to do when guests arrive. I don't think the hotel isn't completely finished as of the moment. I found that a bit strange because they held a great or grand opening. They have, when you go to swim there, I went on a swim deal. We paid about $18 a person for the swim deal, but they don't have like those rooms yet where you can like change your swimming clothes, especially for a woman. I went into the ladies' room and I was just about to strip when I got shocked that I saw a group of working men in the ladies' room popping their head out of a corner. So I didn't know they were busy doing work or renovations there. And I did think that that was a bit unprofessional, that they didn't inquire the guests when, hey, there's a group of men in the ladies' room that might be staring at you, and some were actually staring weird vibes. But all is well. Maybe they should schedule that a bit better, that work can be done while guests aren't there. So keep that in mind if you're going to visit. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this storytime episode. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, go to my blog. You'll see the website link in the description. And until soon, ciao.
Flavor to find a new road to wander, leave the old one behind. From bustling streets to mountains so grand, with a fork and a map, a camera in hand. Oh, it's Storytime Productions. Pull up a chair, got a new adventure to show you, got magic to share. Red chilies to a dragon's lost gold, a story for Eden, a story untold. Maybe we're trekking through a forest of green, looking for sprites and a mythical scene, or sipping hot coffee in a Parisian cafe, finding a perfect croissant to brighten the day. Cause you're already there. Sometimes it's